Welcome back everybody, Just Mike here. Today I wanted to show you on a vintage clock or vintage movement. The brass plates to the movement are just nasty looking, and they've never had a coating of lacquer or whatever to keep them real shiny because they are old movements. I wanted to show you just how I shine them up. Not that you'll ever see them, but if you have a customer that might want to see the clock or whatever, or if you just want to take more pride than normal in cleaning up your movement, if you're going to go through the trouble of taking it all the way apart, then this is how I shine them up. By the way, don't forget to subscribe because it's free, and leave me a comment after the video or whatever, because I do read them. I appreciate it. Just say hi if that's what you'd like to do. It helps out on the YouTube, whatever they call them. Anyway, here we go. And so I wanted to experiment. This is the movement I just got in for parts. Anyway, as you can see the difference in color. This one's been cleaned, been polished a little bit and waxed. And so I wanted to experiment just a little bit. You see how filthy this thing is, and what I plan on doing is I'm leaving it together, but I'm going to take a little bit of Dawn dish soap and just kind of scrub this up a little bit. I'll show you what that looks like. I'm not doing the whole thing. I'm just going to do the area, and then I'm going to go ahead and use the polish on this, show you what that looks like, and then I'm going to do the wax just to show you what it is or could be or whatever. This is what it looks like before I do anything to it. Now let me go clean it with Dawn dishwash soap. So I only cleaned just real quick right in this area here. You probably don't notice it, but it is a little bit cleaner, and I did not run this through the movement cleaner. It's just straight pulling it out of the box and running a little bit of the Dawn dishwashing soap there. Now I'm going to use some of this stuff on there. These products aren't cheap, but as well as they work, I'm happy with them. This here is the wax, which it does a little bit of cleaning also, but it gives a decent coating so it doesn't corrode as fast. So that's using this one. And you can see the shine we have. And like I say, this is the old coating, so it's almost like a varnish on here from all the old oil and whatnot. But it doesn't really take that much work to get that kind of a shine in this thing. And so what I plan on doing is adding wax to this now. But remember, you don't want to do this kind of shining with this whole thing together. You want it taken apart, because you're getting stuff in each one of them holes, each one of the bushings and whatnot. And obviously this one needs cleaned anyway, but I just wanted to show you how you can shine this thing up. So let's run over to this one now. So here's with it waxed up. Look how nice that looks compared to the old. And even running this through the clock cleaner, the movement cleaner, it will still look like crap. It'll be a little bit cleaner, but not by much. And if you want to doll it up to make it look nice and shiny like that, that's how I do it. So I hope you enjoyed and learned something on how to shine up your movement to make it look really nice. Like I say, most of the time they're hidden. You don't see them, so it's not important. But to step up your game, this is the way I would do it. It's very easy. And no, I'm not sponsored. It'd be nice because the stuff's not normally cheap, but you have to buy something to make things look nicer. Until next time, God bless.